Anuj, वो walk चालू होने के पहले खत्म हो गया यार. I'm really not happy. Is everybody happy with the walk? Nobody is happy यार. So public demand है यार. So let's do this again. So this reminds me of the fairy tale where she forgot her shoes. So am I the lucky one? Did I just find my partner? Sweet. Okay,
There's one small request.
Please.
If you could just call Shrijit and team over here for just 2 minutes.
Shrijit and team, if you can hear me.
Nilu is here.
Guys, there are the people on public demand. Jitesh. Okay, I'm sure now they will come.
Till they come, I'll just introduce myself. I'm Anuj Saini. My wife Divya, my daughter Avni. I'm born and brought up in BRC, and my wife, she's working in BRC right now. I was actually missing Padmanaman over here, Paddu. I just want to share one small instance with you. We all were in 11th or 12th standard when I met Paddu, Padmanaman. I'm sorry for calling you.
Okay, first of all, there is an RTO downstairs. Traffic में बहुत पंगा है आजकल.
Guys, just the reason for calling all of you here was Shri, you were there. Thanks a lot for arranging this get together. It's really excellent. Manoj, wonderful anchoring from your end. When I would be celebrating a third birthday, I'll call you.
Okay, I charge a lot, Anuj.
No worries, no worries. And all of the one who've been into this, great job, yeah. Keep it up, great job.
So much, Anuj. We really appreciate it. So, Anuj, first of all, this is a total atomic couple. As you know, both of them have been born and brought up in BRC, right? So, a very special moment for all of us. So, Anuj, do you want to say? By the way, she is our biology teacher's daughter. Okay. So, okay. So. Yeah, the teacher's name is Chandrika Nair teacher. I'm very afraid to take her name because I was never good in biology. So Anuj.
That's what I was coming to actually. There is one guy who's been missing over here by name Padmanaman. What happened was, it was 11th or it was 12th standard. Paddu was a person who always used to sit on the last bench. And same with me. We used to sit on the last bench. What happened was, one day Paddu was sitting on the first bench and it was bio lecture. I jumped the second last bench. I went ahead. I said, Paddu, chalo, jayega, bunk karega. We'll go and play in the garden. He said, nahi, mat ja. Bio teacher ka abhi lecture hai. First lecture hai B1 ka. Her mother, she's got 2 daughters. अपन impression जमाएंगे. So I said, अपने को कहाँ शादी करना है? चल जाएगा. And I jumped. And as I went near the door, her mom was standing there. She said, come, sit. It's my first lecture. Sit on the first bench. And like when I said to Padman that time, अपना कहाँ शादी हो रहा है? क्या होगा? And I married her.
उस दिन जो तू बैठ गया आज तक बैठ. Okay, so fantastic. And would you want to say something about Anuj and about the evening today?
Oh, it's such a pleasant thing.
And you go to introduce her at some point in time. She's.
She is Avni and she wants to speak something.
Please
Avni?
go ahead.
Huh? Say hello.
Okay.
It's actually nice to see old friends. I mean, एटॉमिक का प्रोडक्ट है तो वो समझ में आता है कितने सालों बाद. इट फील सो नाइस. और कॉलोनी में किसी को आना है तो यू गाइज आर ऑलवेज वेलकम बिकॉज हम लोग अभी भी वहीं पे ही है एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट 40 years we are gonna be there.
See, there are risks involved with this invitation. So because we love the place so much that we always want to visit the place,
yeah.
right? So thank you so much for coming down and gracing the evening today. Thank you so much.
Just one more thing. Once again, I would say it. Shri and team, everyone done a wonderful job. Hats off to you guys. Excellent. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Anuj.
Where are you gone? Where are you gone? You're his idol.
So I can kind of feel that all of you are getting restless. So we are almost at the end. We're just gonna invite all these Lukha log here. Okay. and we're gonna see what they have to say, and then we're gonna do a cake cutting, post which the food will be open and music and dance. So just bear with these Lukas for another 5 minutes. Okay, so I want to invite one by one. Daulat Rawat, Hazir ho. Pandu, please come. दौलत यहाँ से आना पड़ेगा दोस्त, यहाँ से आना पड़ेगा. तेरा पापा को नहीं देखा यार, तू जरा वहाँ से चल के जरा देखो कैसे भी चलेगा कैसे भी. पांडु का आम आदमी पार्टी प्लीज वोट फॉर हिम. विजय कृष्णन. रुक कहाँ जा रहे? Okay, Vijay is from Tarapur, so you can see all the radiation. You know, it's very serious. Please, sir. Vijay Krishna. Now next up, I'm going to invite Abhishek Gokhale. Abhishek, no shortcuts in life. I'm so sorry. Okay, so in singles, I think Rajan Padave. I think enough of sipping the drink. Rajan has lost weight, by the way. This is definitely signature. Love it, man. Shabrinath, Arvind Akshan.
I say my love is cool. What are you asking me to prove? Oh, Layla, Layla,
Oh,
Layla,
that's my bro. Okay, so Ashutosh Kondeskar, do you need a special invitation? Ashutosh, पहली बेइज्जती करता है. Ashutosh. नहीं चलेंगे नहीं दोस्त. There is no option. यार यहाँ पे कुछ गिर गया क्या? तो क्या देखें? Okay. And Amit Pandit. So the only reason I called all of them together is because इनमें से बहुत जन इतने कमीने कि इन्होंने शादी नहीं की, और दूसरी बात ये है कि इनमें और भी ऐसे कमीने जिन्होंने शादी की और अपनी बीवियों को नहीं लेके. Okay, so I want all the married guys to just take one step ahead and another step ahead, and now you guys can go home. wait, hang on. All right, so please hand over the mic to Rajan. Okay, so Rajan, do you want to give the good news to the group?
ये तो शॉकर है, शॉकर. Actually, my wife has not come because we are expecting our first child. So it is due in July.
Okay, so hang on. When you say first child, कितने का planning है?
स्कूल तो नहीं बनाएंगे, but क्रिकेट टीम का सोचा है.
Okay, all right. So thank you so much. Congratulations, Rajan, first of all.
Thank you.
Okay, and all of us are really happy that you shared this news with us. Okay, now just pass the mic to Mr. Pandurang.
बोलो.
Pandurang, कोई reason है कि बीवी यहाँ पे नहीं है आज?
नहीं, बीवी मायके गई है.
बीवी मायके गई है कि तूने भेज दिया?
नहीं, ऐसी गई.
बारह वाला है. अच्छा, जितेश बोला था कि मैं भी मायके भेजने वाला था, लेकिन मैं फंस गया. So thank you so much, Pandu, for coming here. And over to Shabrinath. Before Shabrinath talks.
Mic check 1 2 3.
हाँ मेरे भाई, check. So Shabrinath is again the sons of one of our teachers, Lalita Arvindakshan ma'am, and she also used to teach biology, and he has travelled all the way from Hyderabad to come for this get together. I really want to acknowledge him for this. So, Shabo, what do you feel?
I think thanks to all the organizers. I think bringing all together after such a long time. I think we don't know. Maybe I don't know all of you, but it's great to meet all of you. And thanks to all the organizers. I think that's what I want to say. Might be this opportunity. We have to make it again. But thanks to all.
Thank you so much, Shabo, for making it. Daulat Rawat, commonly known as Dari. So Dari, क्या बोलना है देखो सबको यार?
बहुत बेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज जिसने भी किया है मेरे को पता नहीं है श्रीजीत ने क्या मतलब बेस्ट बहुत अच्छा किया
श्रीजीत ने कुछ नहीं किया यार.
फिर कौन किया है
अरे ये सब मैंने किया लेकिन बाद में बोल देते हैं.
बहुत अच्छा किया
Okay, so over to Amit. Amit, you came all the way from Pune, and thank you for dragging Ashutosh's ass out here. Right, one lazy ass. So Amit, first of all, welcome to the group, and do you want to say something for all of us?
It's a very good thing that you did. I mean, meeting a lot of people after I would say 70-20 years. It was very nice. Thanks.
Fantastic, Amit. So over to Ashutosh Kondeshkar. Konde अभी ऐसा हो गया ना यहाँ पे हिंदी में भी बात हो गया इंग्लिश में भी बात हो गया and Konde is from the land of Peshwas, Pune. He got married and he migrated to Pune. He got a passport also. So Konde मराठीमध्ये तुम्ही काहीतरी सांगा.
खाली घर पे बात करते हैं.
ठीक है अभी घर समझ के बात कर ले यार.
नहीं आता है यार.
अरे काहीतरी सांग.
अच्छा ठीक आहे. मला ॲड केलंस थँक्यू आणि मला बोलवलं म्हणून पण थँक्यू.
बस हो गया तेरा.
बस.
ठीक है. Thank you so much for all the married guys who are acting pretending to be alone. Thank you so much guys. And you guys can take a seat, but Vijay and Abhishek can stay back. And Dinesh, is Dinesh around? He's gone? Okay. So, we just got a message from one of our friends, Kalyani. Her mom is not keeping well, so that's why she couldn't make it today. And we wish her a speedy recovery. So, Abhishek and Vijay, please take the center stage. And, you're free to do anything because you're singles. So, Vijay, क्या plan है? So, तारापुर के बारे में कुछ बताओ हम लोग जो we don't know. There is something really interesting about Tarapur.
सब सेम है. ऐसे अपना मुंबई बीआरसी है, सेम कॉलोनी.
अलग चीज़ बता यार, अलग चीज़ बता कुछ.
ऐसा अलग तो कुछ नहीं है उसमें.
तो फिर वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे आ जा तू. ठीक है, just kidding यार. So you want to say something to all the friends out here, and how does it feel?
Nice to meet you all, you guys, after a so long time. And wonderful arrangement by all of you guys, Manoj, Swijit, Devendra, Tony.
यार इसको सबका नाम मालूम है. ठीक है विजय, थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, thank you.
एंड विजय, $1,000,000 क्वेश्चन, शादी का क्या सीन है? देखो सीन ये तो नहीं है बोलना ना. अभी मनीष ने तो बोल दिया ये बार्गेन एंड एवरीथिंग. तू भी नया फंडा दे दे.
Same as Manish.
सेम एज मनीष एज अबाउ.
Oh,
ये बीआरसी वाले यही है सब मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन टिक करते दे गेट हायर्ड एंड दिस इज व्हाट दे डू. थैंक्स विजय. अभिषेक गोखले.
Yes.
I just have one question for you, man. How much are your biceps?
I don't know.
You don't know? You stop measuring it. Okay. You want to say something to the gang?
No, it's a good arrangement. Good effort.
Arrangement क्या है? क्या बैंड बाजा बारह देखे? क्या arrangement कर रहे हो? Tell us about the people, everyone.
Yeah, people, most of the people, I know them, they don't know me. So I got introduced to them.
So how did you make this happen that they don't know you and you know everyone? Are you God?
No, but I did not spoke with them when
You
I
were
was
not in touch. I get
school.
that. Okay.
Or not in touch.
Okay. So Abhishek is a transformed man now. He's a he-man, a superman. So Abhishek, thank you so much for coming down. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. All right. So I think that is the end of this boring introduction session. Okay, we have a trespasser here, and I think there's something cooking here.
ओके इसने तो सबकी ली. अभी इसकी बारी है. लेट्स हैव अ कैटवॉक. मनोज, कम ऑन. सारे सम म्यूजिक.
Okay, I have a request. I want.
1 minute. बहुत हो गया. माइक इज हियर. द कैटवॉक इज हियर. them. He's going to give us a good performance right now. Anyone wants to join him? Rajan? Hello.
हेलो हाँ मम्मी मैं आ रहा हूँ
I have a question for him. I have a question for him. The same question which he asked me. Okay, so Manoj, when are you getting married? Because I have heard that you have an affair with one of the guys from our batch. So please put some clarity on that, please.
Manish, it is very true. We have been going around for the last 5 years.
He's missing Soma.
And
by the way, if y'all don't know.
And you know, just because our parents are not agreeing, we are not able to, get into that legal. So the guy has an extramarital affair.
So, do you have your passports ready? Because in that case, I think you have to migrate to maybe US or Canada, because that is legal over there, not in India.
I totally get what you're saying, Manish. But since I love you guys more than I love him, I am planning to ditch him.
Please keep me out of it. Please keep me out of it. Anyone wants to come here and pull his leg?
Yeah, we can do it. We can do it after the program is over. Thank you so much, guys. It's been a wonderful evening. Woo! Let's have some music. And all the parents as well. All the parents. Guys, Atomic 97. It is a big cake for the small crowd. But kindly adjust.